If you are a business owner and you are completely overwhelmed with your numbers, if you are completely baffled with what bookkeeping is, or if you just simply do not know where to start when it comes to your business finances, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Raminda and I'm a financial modeler. I've got more than 15 years of experience working with clients ranging from startups to side hustle businesses, right up to large established companies to help them get clarity over their numbers through smart strategic spreadsheets. I've also had my own business for over a decade, so I fully understand the challenges that come with client work and growing your business and staying on top of finances too. Today I'm going to talk through what bookkeeping actually is and why it's really important in helping you to understand how much money you're actually making. I'm also going to show you the exact tool that I've created for my clients to help them track their finances and how you can get hold of one too. If this sounds helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my weekly videos where I share educational content to help you run your business with more peace of mind. So first things first, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the process of recording all your financial transactions in your business. So all your income, which is all the money coming into your business, and all your expenses, which is all the money going out of your business. This can also be referred to as income tracking or sales tracking or expense tracking. All of these fall under the concept of bookkeeping. By logging and categorizing every sale and every bill, you get an accurate picture of your business health, you can track your growth and make confident decisions. Many people think that bookkeeping is this annoying admin task or just something that you do for your accountant once a year. But actually, it's a really important foundation for understanding your business. Bookkeeping can, of course, be done by your bookkeeper or your accountant, but this is also something that you can track easily for yourself with the right tools. And I'll be showing you a tool that I created for this very purpose. Tracking your business finances can give you control and visibility, but it also saves you unnecessary stress when bills might come up suddenly or if your accountant wants to know what's going on in your business. It's very easy for bookkeeping to be pushed to the bottom of the list, especially when you're busy running your actual business. So it's really important to understand what happens if you don't keep on top of it. Without accurate records, you might lose visibility over your cash flow, which might make you think that you've got more money than you actually do. This could lead to overspending, missed opportunities in reinvesting back in your business, or even ultimately operating at a loss. And over time, poor cash flow management could risk your relationships with your suppliers, your contractors, and even your customers if you can't deliver on time. When tax season rolls round, scrambling to get those receipts together or put those numbers together could take hours. This in turn could lead to costly mistakes or unnecessary stress, and all of that time could be better spent on running your business, making sales, or planning for growth. Without clear data, you can't see which products or services or customers are truly profitable, or where suppliers might be increasing their prices. This lack of insight keeps you reactive instead of proactive and makes it harder for you to plan for growth or cut those unnecessary costs. Without knowing your numbers, it makes it more difficult to approach investors, apply for business loans, or even when to hire staff. You won't know which are your best performing products or services, and all of this may lead to missed opportunities in future growth. Many people overcomplicate this, but it just comes down to a few consistent tasks. The foundation of bookkeeping is essentially tracking every bit of money that comes in and every bit of money that goes out. Income tracking shows you where your money is coming from and which products or services are making the most sales. Your income also includes your interest income and any investment income that comes through the business, so make sure you track that as well. Expense tracking includes any payments, supply bills, and any other financial expense that goes through your business. This can highlight any leaks in your business, any unnecessary costs, any duplicate subscriptions, or any suppliers that might be overpriced. By consistently recording these transactions, you create a clear financial trail, which is crucial not only for tax purposes, but also for spotting trends and patterns in your business. Getting into the habit of tracking these every month, every week, or even every day can save you hours later on. These are accounting terms, but essentially, accounts payable is what your business owes, and accounts receivable is what is owed to your business. Paying your bills on time protects your business reputation and maintains a good relationship with your suppliers. And on the flip side, keeping tabs on your invoices means that you're not leaving money on the table, which happens a lot more than you think. Reviewing these transactions regularly ensures the cash keeps flowing smoothly. Reconciling means matching your bookkeeping records with the transactions on your bank statements to ensure that they align perfectly. This helps you to catch errors, spot any fraudulent activity, and just make sure that your numbers are accurate. Bookkeeping isn't just about data entry, it's about turning your numbers into actionable insights. Reports like profit and loss statements, cash flow statements, and other analytical charts can help you understand your business health at a glance. With these reports, you can make decisions about pricing, about investments, about marketing, and it turns bookkeeping from a chore into a strategic advantage. And let me show you how simple this can be. This is my small business bookkeeping tracker, where you can enter your sales and expenses for each month of the year. It automatically updates a monthly dashboard as well as an annual dashboard, so you can instantly track your profit and identify any trends and patterns. It also has a master list of sales and expenses, so you can analyse your transactions by customers, suppliers, or categories. This is available to download from my website, and in addition, if you would like this branded to your own colours, your own company logo, this is something I also offer. All links are in the description box below, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. This is the number one trap that small businesses fall into, especially if you're a new business. When your bank account is a mix of personal and business transactions, it's really difficult to see your true business performance. Having a dedicated business bank account keeps everything clean and makes tax filing so much easier. A separate account also makes you look more professional when it comes to customers, suppliers, investors, and lenders. Save all your receipts and track everything digitally. Digital records means fewer mistakes and faster reporting. You can generate reports, spot trends, and make decisions faster without digging through piles of paper. Don't wait until year end, make it a monthly or weekly habit so it keeps it manageable. When you stay on top of your books, you're building a clear financial story of your business. This helps you to plan better, scale faster, and make more confident decisions with every step. High sales don't always mean high profits. Expenses can eat away at your profit line and it can snowball from there. By tracking your margins regularly, you know exactly where your money is going, so you can make smarter pricing decisions or cut costs where you need to. A question that I get asked a lot is whether you should hire a professional, and that really depends on you. But before we go into that, it's important to understand the difference between a bookkeeper and an accountant. A bookkeeper records all your transactions and keeps your day-to-day finance activities all up to date. They're the ones tracking your invoices, your bills, and your receipts. An accountant may have bookkeeping as part of their services, but they also provide other services such as advising on tax and preparing your annual accounts. Many small business owners manage their own books successfully with the right systems and the right tools, whether it's the spreadsheet like the one that I showed you earlier or a separate accounting package. But with that said, there is huge value in getting professional advice. Even if you do your own bookkeeping, many small business owners find a lot of value in having an accountant look over their numbers and provide guidance. They can offer advice specific to your business to make sure that you're not missing out on anything. This way you get the best of both worlds, you get cost-efficient tools and expert backup when you need it. And I'd like to point out that this video is for educational purposes only. It's not here to give you any tax or financial advice. Please speak with a qualified accountant or a tax advisor for guidance specific to your business. I hope this video helped to bring some clarity for your business. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description box below. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.